What's going on, guys? I'm not meaning to just flood the channel with 4Runner videos, but things keep happening. We did the last two videos. We ended up doing all this stuff to the 4Runner, and I already had this CChand bumper. This is the thrust front bumper for 85 4Runner, and I got it for the 87 extra cab again. But since the back bumper didn't work out, the front bumper just seemed out of place. This is not like your typical off-road bumper that you would put on a 87 extra cab. It's more like an Overland style thing, and this needed it. So that's what we're doing. 87 extra cab. I am waiting on some OG tube front and rear bumpers to make that thing look period correct, because that's what it needs. It needs black or chrome, double tube front and double tube rear. I think that would be the best look. But this CChand bumper is part number VVVC0757. And boy, howdy, that was the most stressful, tedious thing. I thought this was going to be a little 5-minute job. I was going to swap it on, and then we were going to go and drive it at the land, and I would just throw this little bit in front of it. No, this is taking an entire evening. And let me show you if I can get the camera to show this whatsoever. There we go. This is the screw that holds the blinker lights in that bumper. This screw is about, it's either 1 millimeter or 0.5 millimeter in diameter, and it's Phillips head. Came with 5 of those screws. It only came with 4 nuts. That size. Ridiculous size. And it's trying to get it lined up. I finally clamped the bumper in my bench vise, and I got it up there, and I don't have a nut driver for anything that small. The smallest one I have is for the scale bolts, which are 3 mil. So yeah, I don't have any 0.5 mil nuts floating around. So yeah, that was an exciting adventure. It dropped, ricocheted off of out of the pliers, off of the battery charger into the carpet that is in my other room, and it was lost forever. Spent a while looking for it, gave up, came back, got the other 3 bolts in pretty easily, and one last ditch effort, I went over there and I shook the carpet, and I saw it fly up and it landed right in front of me. So RC gods are smiling on us today. So we got those lights in. I do not have LEDs in the truck or in the blinker on the bumper. But I did want to put some lights on this. This does have a special bracket for LED lights, and it's pretty neat. You can kind of mount it a couple different ways. And yeah, I had one more set of those RC4wd ARB off-road lights floating around. Thought that would fit perfect on this bumper, fit the theme of the build, the kind of safari overland look. And man, I don't have a winch. I thought I had an extra RC4wd winch sitting around forever, and I don't. I've got a couple of the 3 racing winches, which are smaller and have a different bolt pattern. And yeah, so gotta go. I hope Hobbytown still has one, because it's so close to Christmas now. I'm probably not gonna be able to get one mailed anytime soon. But really hoping to get this up to the land before I do anything else to it. This thing is heavy. I've already bent the hitch on the trailer trying to climb the step in my living room, and when it twists, the trailer collar bends out, and yeah, so we probably won't be doing much crawling with the trailer. But this truck is heavy. It's probably 8 to 10 pounds with a 3-cell in it, small lipo. So it's all leaf sprung still, and I'm excited to see how this goes. This is the first heavy leaf truck I've done, actually, well, in a very long time. We've really been with the channel for a long time. I had a green Hilux that I just pieced together out of eBay parts, and it was like a 4-link rear and a leaf spring front. It weighed like 12 pounds. That was a blast to drive. So one thing I can see already with all this weight and the trailer and stuff, we're probably going to have to upgrade tire foams on this thing. These RC4wd foams are great until you stack an extra 5 pounds of scale stuff on your rig. But I don't know, we'll give them a shot and see. I was getting some tire wrinkle, sidewall wrinkle. But man, this bumper looks fantastic. Let me get you a closer look. It just really frames the front of the truck good. It fits nice and tight like an actual ARB bumper would. Tried my best to hide the wires and stuff. Got them routed pretty cleanly. Luckily I found 2 black zip ties because I'm usually out of those. And put them in the front. I forgot I still had power on. Side box squealing. Can't make it shut up. Oh well. I'm gonna wrap this one up here, guys. I appreciate you watching. And yeah, hopefully get this thing up to the land, see what it can do. Keep it scale, and I'll see y'all next time.